Hi Eva, what do you like to do in free time?
Hi Wida, I like listening to music, watching movie and reading novels. What about you?
I like drawing, cooking and playing badminton.
That's nice. Do you like singing?
Yes, I do. I love singing. How about you?
I like singing too, but I'm not very good at it.
Yes, I do. Do you like sport?
Not really. I dislike running, but I like swimming.
I like swimming too. It's fun and healthy.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. What about you?
I like pop music and K-pop.
Do you like cooking?
No, I don't like cooking, but I like baking cakes.
That's interesting. Enjoy cooking for my family.
We have some different likes and dislikes.
Yes, but we also have something in common.
That's true. It's wise nice. Some things.
Nice talking to you too.